could you tell your experience during the procedure? Is it painful?
No, it wasn't painful at all.
So you didn't feel anything during the procedure, right?
No, only the injection in the beginning.
Little. You went home and the anesthesia went away. So tell your experience, please.
I didn't feel anything after it wore off the injection. I didn't feel anything. But yeah, and after a few days, it cleared out. Like the gum became pink. It was a bit black in the beginning, and then
Yes.
it became pink.
So after, yeah, you said after 3 days almost, the gum became healthy and beautiful.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you show wider, please? Yeah, beautiful lines of the gum. Symmetrical.